Now let's talk about the different service types of cloud computing. You might already heard about the terms IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Let's start with the IaaS or infrastructure as a service. This is the basic building block of all services provided by cloud computing. IaaS provide virtualized computing resources over the internet. Cloud provider manages all IT infrastructures like storage, servers, and networking resources and delivers these resources to the customer by virtual machines accessible through the internet. Some of the example of IaaS could be AWS Elastic Compute Cloud or EC2, Azure VM, Google Compute Engine. PaaS, Platform as a Service. Platform as a service provides a platform allowing customer to develop, run and manage applications without the complexity of building and maintaining the infrastructure. PaaS typically designed to support the complete web application lifecycle, building, testing, deploying, managing and updating. PaaS allows user to avoid the expense and complexity of buying and managing software licenses, the underlying application infrastructure and the middleware because all these things are managed by the cloud provider and customer is basically managing the application and services to develop the application. Some of the example of PaaS: Amazon Elastic Beanstalk, Google App Engine. SaaS, software as a service. SaaS provides software delivery and licensing in which software is accessed online by a subscription rather than bought and installed on individual computers. It provides a complete software solution which you purchase on a pay as you go basis from a cloud service provider. All of the underlying infrastructure, middleware, app software, and app data are located in service providers' data center. SaaS platform helps IT professionals strategically manage and forecast IT cost. Looking into the example, some common examples of SaaS are Gmail, Office 365, Google Docs. One more criteria which we can look to basically distinguish between the different service types. That is the responsibility matrix. This matrix basically define who will manage what. So let's look into this stack. This stack contains all the component which is used to provide the service in a virtualized environment. In case of on-premises, customer is responsible to manage all these components. But looking into in case of IaaS, as you can see, amber color is to donate that components are managed by cloud providers and green components are managed by the customer. So here underlying infrastructure till virtualization is managed by the cloud provider and rest of the components are managed by IaaS. So here customer has more control or more component to manage. PaaS. From the diagram, you can easily identify that most of the components are managed by the cloud provider and customer is only responsible for their application and the data. SaaS, this provide the least control to customer because everything is managed by the cloud provider. Customer is using the service SaaS services over the internet. They just uh, subscribe that service and start using it. They don't need to worry about the underlying architecture. I hope this will help you to understand different service types of cloud computing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video Share your comments, your feedback. How do you like this video, and what is your suggestion to improve that? Subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you.